that is the most commented thing from you guys, that I should buy one of those. So I guess some of you will have an orgasm at the end of this video. So far I have 3 calves. This is Maria. This is Madison Bumgarner. And this is Gerald Dempsey Posey the 4th. I am expecting one more calf from Ruth. Ruth didn't get pregnant with the others and needed another try. Since I run a dairy farm, when I have calves, I want it to be girls, not boys. When the girls are old enough, they will have calves of their own and then produce milk. And I'm then gonna milk them and make something from that milk. The boys, on the other hand, are raised for beef. These boys are castrated. In that way they can spend time with their moms and the rest of the pack, instead of dividing them with the girls in one pack and the boys in another one. In that way I save time managing the animals. Also with housing, fencing, water, winter water. I need double of everything if I'm having boys in a separate pack. But since I don't, they can just be one group. I'm doing once a day milking. That means that I separate the calf and the cow at night, and then I get the morning milk. And after milking I let the calves out with their mom. In that way we share the milk and I don't have to bottle feed the calves.
You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm dreaming of a kiss from you and hoping it will all be true. But this is my imagination and it's real to me. I'm a girl in love.
The comment I've gotten the most from you guys: buy yourself a Bale spare, moron. The thing is, I bought the tractor, I maxed out my credit card, so I didn't have any money to buy any additional parts or tools. That's why I've been pushing the bales around the fields. I like to buy locally to support local businesses, and my local tractor tool company didn't have any bale spares in stock because they hadn't gotten their shipment from China yet. Am I buying local when the guys I buy the stuff from are getting it from China? I don't know about that. They didn't have any bale spares for a couple of months. But remember this guy? Yeah, that's Siggy. He went ahead and made me a Bale spare. And how cool is that? I bought these brackets and he welded the rest from some spare parts and a couple of axles from a truck, I think it was. So now I have my own Bale spare. Homemade. How freaking cool is that? And that is the most commented thing from you guys. So I guess some of you will have an orgasm. Alright, so let's see if the Bale spare works. And don't forget to like and subscribe.